impressed. This is really exciting, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh god. Hey guys. So today I have a video that I'm really excited to share with you guys. I'll be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So if you guys want to see what bag I ended up getting, stick around and let's get into it. So as you can see, I brought this big old box next to me. I don't know if the whole thing fits in the frame, but I'm just going to do a quick little backstory about how this purchase came about. So basically back in 2015, I bought my first ever luxury purse, and it was Louis Vuitton. And that was my graduation gift to myself for finishing my undergrad. And there was one particular purse that I had in mind, but when I went to the store, I looked at that purse and I also looked at two very classic Louis Vuitton purses, this being one of them. And honestly, I was almost swayed to get this purse at the time as opposed to the purse I ended up getting because, spoiler alert, it was very good value for the money. Let's keep it at that, see if you guys can figure out what I'm trying to hint at. But in the end, I ended up going with the Louis purse that I had initially wanted to go in the store with, and I was very, very happy with that as my decision, as my first luxury purse, my first Louis Vuitton purse, so I was very excited. You know, flash forward a couple of years, I ended up purchasing other luxury handbags from other brands and stuff like that. Not very many, just kind of once a year, roughly. If you want me to do my little tiny luxury handbag collection, give it a thumbs up. Let me know you guys want to see that video. But I knew if I ever wanted to buy this purse in the future, I was probably going to look at the pre-loved market, just because I knew it'd be one of the easier purses to find on the pre-loved market. And yeah, I couldn't justify spending full price for what it is, but for what it costs now. So yeah, that's basically the backstory. And you know, I browse pre-loved websites almost daily, like Instagram accounts, that kind of stuff. And when I finally found the purse that I wanted with the right fabric, and it was a full set, I knew it was meant to be, and I snagged it up. So I'm gonna show you what my new baby is. Okay, I'm so excited. I literally was debating if I should open this and like repackage it for this video because I couldn't wait. I literally got this today, but I stayed strong and I haven't opened it. This is, you know, like legit first reaction unboxing. So you guys are opening it up with me. And after I unbox this, I'm just gonna kind of go over the specs of the purse and show you some close-ups of it, as well as talk about my experience with the website that I bought it from. Because yeah, this is my first pre-loved purchase, so I want you guys, and I know that information is always so much harder to find on the internet and how to find a reputable seller, so hopefully that'll be helpful for you guys. So, let's go! Okay. Oi! Sorry if it's not in frame, but you guys, I'll show you the goods. It'll be seen. Oh god. Okay. So yeah, it came in this massive box though, and it came within 2 days, which was freaking awesome. Courier needed a signature upon arrival, so you know, for sure your package is, you know, delivered to you. Oh god. Dude, we're not even inside yet. This is really sad. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, okay. 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 So when I open the box, oh, And another thing which is really nice is this was just a plain brown box, which I think is really important that it's, you know, a normal discreet box that doesn't really, you know, attract any type of, I don't know, it doesn't make it stand out so somebody would want to steal it, if that makes sense. Like, I know there was like issues when like Kylie Jenner first launched her lip kits, and people, you know, like the mailman would leave it on the front door and people would see the boxes and steal the packages. So I think that it's really important with something that you're getting mailed to you at such a high price tag that it is in a discreet box on the outside, and that's definitely like something that definitely eases my mind. So yeah, like I said, when you open the box, the website that I got it from was Luxit Forward, which is an Australian brand because that is where I'm currently living at the moment. This is, I'm just gonna dump it out. This is massive. I don't know how else to take it out of the box. Oh, okay. Once it's out of the big brown box, this is what comes. This is what's initially inside. Hopefully you can see most of that. Yeah, so the website that I bought it from was Luxit Forward. So I'm just gonna open this now. It's a really nice box, by the way. This is beautiful packaging, considering that, you know, it's a third-party box. Oh my, I'm very impressed. This is really exciting, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh god. I'm so like this. I'm like way too excited. Okay, so you open the box, and it's in the Luxit Forward people have their own like tissue paper too. That's freaking amazing. And it's like, it's as if this was like I was opening like a Louis Vuitton box. Like, I'm very impressed. Okay, so ooh. This is the first bit. It's just got an envelope. I'm so impressed with the packaging, guys. Oh, I'm so bad at opening these things. Okay. But of course, like, I'm trying to be gentle too. Like, I don't want to just rip this open, like. Okay. Oh, this is the sweetest. Okay. So it's just got, oh, it's got a personalized little letter here. And yeah, let me just say the team at, you know, Luxit Forward has been super sweet and helpful throughout the whole process. You know, just even emailing me like outside of business hours, like on a Saturday of a long weekend, like just to let me know that the bag wouldn't ship until after the long weekend, which is basically common knowledge, but the fact that they went that extra mile to email me that was just, it was amazing. So I've got a little tag. It's got this guarantee of authenticity. What's this? Ooh, okay, even like the tax invoice that I got, like the receipt, like this is on nice paper. Like, let me just say, okay, you guys don't care about that stuff. I care about that stuff. That's okay. So, oh, I'm getting so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, I can't. So yeah, maybe you guys could guess even by the size of this box. So it comes just in this little baby. So it comes in the Louis Vuitton dust bag. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think that's everything in the box. I'm gonna close that up. Alrighty. Oh, I'm so excited! Oh my god, I'm the biggest, like, I'm a kid in a candy store. This is amazing, guys. Oh, I'm so in love. Okay, so if you guys can finally see, oh, I got the Neverfull MM in the Damier Ebene. Oh, okay. This is freaking beautiful. Oh, and the condition looks amazing. It looks so good. I'm so impressed. Okay, let's get packaging out of the way. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's move on to packaging. Let's just put that over that. Oh my god. And sorry, to clarify, I know some online places talk about full set being the receipt, the dust bag, the box, or the bag that it came in, which, as you can see, was not the case in this. By full set, I didn't want to completely give it away, but I meant that my bag also came with the little pouchette that comes inside the Neverfulls, because I know a lot of pre-loved markets will sometimes sell this separately because this pouchette only comes in like the newer models, you know, or some people just don't use it. So I was, like I said, when I saw online that there was a Neverfull in the Damier Ebene, which I love just because it's very sturdy, this canvas, because there's no vachetta, and I'm obsessed with the red interior. That red interior is beautiful. Yeah, and just the fact that it came with the full set, with the pouchette, which just, oh, like, it's stunning. This is all just beautiful, beautiful quality. I'm so impressed. It looks like even more amazing in person. I'm so freaking happy. Oh, and one thing that I was concerned about, because I'm pretty short, I'm 4'11", so I was scared that a big tote would be like kind of overwhelming for my frame, and it was like, I haven't seen this purse since 2015, it's been a while, but no, I'm very happy with the size of it in person. Oh, it looks so freaking nice. Oh, I'm so freaking happy. But yeah, like I said, I'll put cutaway clips so you guys can see what this bag really looks like. Oh, I am in love. Oh, and one more thing. I know sometimes with like the pre-loved market, sometimes people are concerned about odor. This purse definitely does not have any type of odor, which is really good. I know that's more of an issue with like vintage things. But this specific purse was made in 2017. It was made in Spain, which is really nice too. I'm not too particular with, you know, made in France, made in Spain. But I'm definitely happier when it is, you know, made somewhere in Europe as opposed to the States or anything like that. So that was an extra bonus. Sorry guys, my camera cut out, and I also noticed, like, in some shots you can't completely see the purse. I hope you guys can see it now. But yeah, as I was saying, so it comes with a little tag on here from Lux It Forward saying that once this tag is removed, you can't return it. However, if the tag is still on, then you have 14 days to completely return it. It's free shipping. So I think it really eases your mind knowing that, you know, you're buying a really big purchase online, but if it's not what you expected, you know, you're allowed to completely return it, you know, if that's the case, if that happens. But I do not think I will be returning this baby because I'm actually in love. I'm like more happy than I expected to be. Like I can't wait to, like, I'm gonna use this tomorrow, literally. But yeah, just my review of using Lux It Forward, which, like I mentioned, is an Australian website that sells pre-loved bags, jewelry, and shoes. They update their website daily. I know there's other websites like Fashion File, The Real, like other Instagram accounts and stuff like that. But honestly, like, I found, like, sometimes I'm really put off when images on, like, secondhand websites are kind of, like, dodgy. Like, when they're, like, not the best quality photos, I'm, like, less inclined to buy off them. The pictures were stunning on the website. She was very clear with, you know, the details of the bag and what condition they're in. And honestly, even the prices in comparison to other websites, I thought Left It Forward was very reasonable considering the condition, considering how new this purse still is. So I was very happy with my overall experience with Left It Forward, and I will definitely, you know, hopefully a long time, because I need to save some money now. But yes, I will definitely either be selling or purchasing from them again in the future. I had a very good experience, so I would highly recommend them. And then just lastly, specs of the bag if you're not too familiar. So this, like I said, is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull size MM in Damier Ebene. And yeah, so the newer versions come with the pochettes, and this is a really, really good size pochette. Like this, like the fact that this purse came with this, a clutch that is really functional, really good size. These two items were basically the same price as the smaller crossbody purse that I initially bought in 2015. Like, that almost sold me completely on getting this purse back then. But yeah, so the Damier Ebene, that is like the original Louis Vuitton pattern. I think it's really timeless and classy, and I prefer it over the monogram. That's just my personal preference. And I especially love the Damier Ebene with the red. I think it's just a very classy look. Like I said, it doesn't have the vachetta on the handles like the monogram does. So this is, you know, weatherproof if you're walking around in the rain, which today was rainy, so I definitely could have used this today. And I know people, like, if you look at this, you think it's just like a tote bag that, like, the straps are kind of skinny. However, like, reading reviews and stuff like that from, like, people who've talked to people, like, Louis Vuitton essays, apparently this bag can actually withstand, like, 200 pounds, which is amazing. I don't plan to put anything, like, I plan to, you know, like, treat this purse very well, but it is nice to know that, you know, that this bag is gonna last for a very long time. Like, I plan on using it for school. I plan on traveling with it as well, so I'm very excited to use it. And yeah, so, and I know that it is like an open purse, but it also does have a clasp to help close the bag, as well as a zipper compartment on the inside, just in there. And then of course the pochette, which you can clip in or just put inside the bottom of the bag. And there's, oh, I'm very excited to use this, guys. Oh, and one last thing, you can also cinch in the sides of the purse. That's why there's drawstrings on the side. Sort of like that, if you guys kind of get the picture. Which I think looks better on, like that, on the GM size, because that bag is very massive and that would be way too big for my body frame and my height. I don't really think it's necessary for the MM. I'm really happy with just the way that it's open like that, and I personally like it open just because you can, you know, you get a better, like, little, like, peekaboo of the red on the inside, which is one of my favorite parts of this bag. So yeah, this is my new baby. So yeah, that was my unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. I hope you guys enjoyed it and that it was helpful, or just, you know, exciting to watch me act like a little kid in a candy store. If you liked the video, please subscribe or hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos of me in the future. Give it a thumbs up or leave a comment down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!